What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a rear disc and caliper guard on this 2024 KX450. Developed for off-road, extreme enduro, and motocross, making it suitable for all types of riding. Provides side and leading edge disc protection made from the same durable material as our rear chain guides, with friction reducing additives and UV protection to help eliminate color fade. Our material glides over and around obstacles with much less friction grab than aluminum, while being lightweight with multi-angled large cutouts to help cool the rear brake rotor. Now this bike is protected and ready to ride. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.